Guess who's hungry in the morning? It's 9 a.m. It's time for Zorro to eat. So, as of now, he's on command. Sit and stay. Right, Zorro? Zorro? Zorro! Stay. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Zorro? 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 In the morning we feed him an Indie Farmina kibble, that is, because it gets difficult because both our meetings start exactly by 9 a.m. and we needed something fast, and an Indie Farmina is damn good. I mean, we can see the results on him. So that is what we feed him is the word, in the slow feeder, because he's a very fast eater. I spot a hungry dog, do you? Well, time for breakfast. Sit. Down. Good boy. Stay. Stay, Zorro. Good boy.
A few minutes later.
Take it. Take it, Zorro. That's his post-breakfast nap. Beauty. Look who's hungry. Look who's hungry. Look who's hungry. So sit. So these are few frozen treats that I make at home using an ice mold. Here I've used small pieces of mango, eggshell powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. For Zorro, obviously, it's a summer treat. Zorro, take it. Take it. Zorro, leave it. Zorro. Hi. Zorro. What's up? We meal prep Zorro's food with veggies, rice, and sometimes dal. So that's what we do. We mix rice, curd, sometimes egg, chicken pieces with veggies, and feed it to him in the night. So there are times where we are out of dog food, but we always keep something in emergency, either kibble or something like this, which is like cut open and you can mix it with rice and give it to them. And thankfully in Bangalore we also have chefs that make good food for dog, nutritious food for dog. Thank God for that. So we also keep that frozen inside. There is a shelf life for that, so you have to make sure. And so far I've tried perfectly made and pooch, which is damn good, and you can select the kind of meal you want to feed your dog and they will send it across, and so far they have been brilliant and Zorro loves it.